With the application, you can also use the particle system, and it's not as sophisticated like it may be high-end other applications, but it is provide necessary tools to create like rain, snow, and maybe even butterfly field or some other effect. To use this, we're just going inside. You notice right here we can preload it from preset or create particle system. So I'm going to preload it. And right here we have all these different type of the effects. So let's go right here. For example, we have dandelions, we have butterflies. We click on butterfly. You'll notice it is come up as a effect, particle effect inside the ecosystem. So it's part of this. Okay, let's go click OK. And I'll just scale up. Notice what's happened right here also, because we will need to re-render right now butterflies. Even they're using reference plane, but they still be as a global locating. So we need to go inside the array and recompute. So it's this way. It will place them on top. Take our main camera now. And maybe look down. And right here you can see we have it butterflies. Of course, they're smaller size. So it's very hard to see on the render, but you can see them in preview on the plane. Again, this is options. You can modify, make them not just on a simple plane. You can put them in 3D, and they will affect as a particle, so they can move around. And by using with effectors, so we have a particle effector example, we can also modify how we want them interact. So with effector example, we can place it. Let's go ahead and open to edit. And as well, we can apply threshold on our effector or how it will work. And as we're touching on effectors, you'll notice also we have the wind generator. And this will work very well with the ecosystem. So if we need to generate, for example, spaceship or a rocket flying, and we can animate this, and this will affect wind on the ecosystem or on a particle system as well. Again, this is will require a little bit more going in depth with particle system, and it's kind of complex in some on the beginning, maybe taking, but when you start understanding, you find out it's almost no different from using ecosystem or using scattering. You just add additional layer of the complexity of interactions between special effectors or between each other.